Hello everyone. The next experiment is interfacing the PS2 keyboard with ARM processor. Talking about the hardware and software requirements, the hardware requirements are a 16x2 LCD which is used to see the output, one PS2 keyboard which serves as the input, and the ARM processor which is the heart of the total process. And the software where we are going to compile the code is the Cucox IDE. So this is a sample of a PS2 keyboard. It is a normal keyboard, but the keyboards that we use today, they have USB interface to connect to the processing board. But PS2 keyboards, if you see the traditional keyboards or few years back, the interface that we used was PS2. And it is the same keyboard, but with a different interfacing, which is the PS2 keyboard. So in this program, we are going to interface this PS2 keyboard with the ARM processor, which means whatever key we press on the keyboard, the corresponding character has to be displayed on the LCD. If I press the letter, a letter has to be displayed. If I press a number, the number has to be displayed. So likewise, whatever process is being made on the keyboard, whatever we enter on the keyboard, that corresponding output has to be displayed on the LCD. Now let's move to the programming. So the programming is quite simple because like LCD, the PS2 keyboard also has a predefined function that is defined in the Cucox IDE. So to start with, we include the basic header files, which is lpc13xx.h. We usually include gpio.h to process the input and outputs. We include lcd.h to view the output. In addition, we include a new header file ps2kbd, which is ps2 keyboard.h, which is going to serve as the main input for this particular processing. Next, we start with the main loop. It is int main void. As I said earlier, like how LCD is predefined in the Cucox, keyboard is also predefined and it has a set of predefined commands. So we initialize the LCD and we initialize the keyboard. By default, without any key press. Only if I press a key, something has to be displayed. If nothing is pressed on the keyboard, it by default displays demo on line 1 and PS2 keyboard on line 2. Now we are going to process the keyboard for infinite number of times. That is why we have while of 1. If key hit, so if we press any key, then what it has to do? It has to process that particular key press. It has to process the keyboard and display the corresponding character. And finally, we return 0 if in case nothing is pressed. So this goes on in an infinite loop. The processor keeps on checking whether any key hit is present. If any key hit, it processes the particular character and displays it on the LCD. If not, these two lines, demo and PS2 keyboard, will be displayed on the LCD. So this is the programming, and it is a quite simple programming because PS2 keyboard is once again a predefined function in the Cucox IDE. Thank you.